I had a good amount of IT background, almost 15 to 16 years in IT. But last 4 years after coming to Australia, I was not in the IT job. I was doing some other stuff because I could not get a job in my profile. So my last job was as a project manager or a scrum master with one of the big companies in India. There I was managing a data warehousing project and on SQL Server and SSRS and SAS basically. So
Okay.
that's my background. Yeah, I got some interviews in the beginning. Like I gave 5 6 interviews, but I could not move from the first level of the interview. So after 1 year, then the survival mode came into the picture. So I start looking for other jobs so I can take care of my family and other stuff. And for almost for next 2 3 years, then after 2017, I was mostly doing some other work. So I was a certified massage therapist almost for 2 years or so. So I studied massage therapy. I did my diploma, and then I parallelly I keep on working. So two and a half years I worked as a remedial massage therapist. But Industry Connect was like I was in touch with Marcia for a long time. Like even from 2018 onwards, I was in touch. But I was just pushing this stuff. I used to tell her like once I move to Melbourne, then only I will join because Adelaide doesn't have any job. So I don't want to waste my time that I do an internship and then I don't get a job. So that is something. So it was in my mind somewhere. Yeah, it's very helpful. I was like very excited when I saw the whole system. I have never seen. I was a bit when the training started. I told Marcia put me into the project directly because I know all SQL and all this stuff. But she said no, you have to go through the training and then we will put you into the project. But when I saw the MVP Studios portal of internship, that was amazing. I mean, you guys have done a very good job. I haven't seen it. I did an online internship with KPMG as in that analyst, and it was not up to the mark. Let me tell you. I mean, the kind of project they were giving, the way they were supporting their interns. No, it was too easy. It was too easy. But the ecosystem that is being built by MVP and the KPIs that you have defined in terms of how a person will move up to the ladder by gaining the point systems, and so all the knowledge of your virtual world you have brought into the building this internship portal. So you earn virtual money, you move on, and then you sell it, and then you purchase it. So it's a wonderful idea. I mean, I liked it. I liked it. If you are selling it somewhere, I can sell it anywhere. It's like you guys are keeping, because it's very difficult for any person to come into the community and keep himself engaged. So it's very easy to lose sight, to lose motivation, particularly when these things are online. So these communities actually keep you motivated, keep you connected with the other people, and like just like Ante and Rashmira sessions, they actually force you to do the stuff every week. You go and talk to people, go and talk to people. So you're building your network, and then you realize, yeah, there are people like me, others. So you gain confidence, and then you get through it. So yeah, it's very good, very good. Yes, if they are interested in getting into some technical line, I'll definitely recommend them. I have talked to so many people, like even in US and all places, with some of my friends, and they also like this idea. Like, yeah, it's a good idea for a newcomer to get into a system where they can, connect with community, get projects, internship, work on their own, and build the network, improve their communication skills and all. So it's a very good platform, I would say. Yeah.